Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Zia classes. Students, today I came with one more very interesting topic from grammar, and the name of the topic is adverbs. Adverb is such a topic which is important for all the classes, and it is one of the most important ingredient. Okay, without wasting the time, I will be telling you about definition of adverb, what is adverb, types of adverb with suitable examples. Okay, done. Let's start. Students, if I say a Rama runs quickly. Okay, this is a very sweet mango. Example number 3, Govind reads quite clearly. So in this I am adding, so what is if I say Rama runs quickly? Take this example, Rama runs. So what is verb here actually? Rama runs quickly. In this sentence, what is verb here? The verb is runs. Okay, the verb is runs. Now, and what is adverb here? If I'll ask you to underline adverb, not verb, then you will underline quickly. Because how Rama runs? Rama runs quickly. Am I clear? Next, now, first of all, look at this example now. This is called as adverb. So, students, an adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So basically it modifies the meaning of a verb or add something to the verb. So here I am saying add verb. Look at this this title here, add verbs, means adding something to the verb, plus to the verb. Okay, this is how it is, guys. Now let me erase this one first. Okay, now come to this definition. Now what is definition here? Definition is that what do you mean by adverb? Words which modify the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb is called as adverb. Okay, so words which modify the meaning of a verb. Ram runs quickly. I would have also said Ram runs slowly. Ram runs in a lazy manner. So यहाँ पे हम बता रहे हैं कि राम कैसे दौड़ता है. This is called as adverb, adding the meaning of the verb. Now I have divided this adverbs into 6 parts. One by one I will be telling you. Look at this. Now the first one is adverb of time. Now what do you mean by adverb of time, students? It shows the time at which an action takes place. Okay, examples I have given. Ram will complete the work by tomorrow. Ram will complete work when? By tomorrow. I have met Ramesh before. When you met Ramesh, I met Ramesh before. And one more thing, whenever you are writing up, whenever you are putting any sentence, please ask the question. हमेशा खुद से क्वेश्चन पूछो. When you met Ramesh, कब मिले थे रमेश से? I have met Ramesh before. So this before is the adverb here. Okay, now look at this orange cloud, you can say image which I have put here. So the words like soon, late, today, yesterday, tonight, then, now, this all comes under the degree of adverb. Okay, adverb of time, when, kab. Next one, adverb of place. Now look at this. For adverb of place, look at this. It shows us the place of occurrence of the action. When did the action takes place? The place. Which place? Okay. Now look at this example in the next one. Now I have quoted the example here. My students, look here. Just look above my photo. Some people are fighting downstairs. So okay. So some people are fighting downstairs. Look at this example. Some people are fighting downstairs. Where they are fighting? They are fighting downstairs. My mother has gone out. Where your mother went? My mother has just gone out. अभी अभी वो बाहर गई है. कहाँ गई है? बाहर. Where she went? Out. Now look at this orange color one. Example of the words from adverb of place: here, there, near, outsider, inside, top, etc. Okay, so first one I told you adverb of, okay, that one. And second one we discussed about, first one time, second one I discussed about adverb of place. Okay dear, so first point I told about adverb of time, and second point I told about adverb of place. Look at the third one, students. Now third one, adverb of frequency. It shows us how often an action occurs. Kitni bar, how many times. Examples, look at this. First example, Mohan goes to the temple regularly. मतलब मोहन रेगुलरली टेम्पल जाता है. सो व्हाट इज योर एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी? इफ यू विल सी इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर एंड इफ योर टीचर इज गोइंग टू आस्क यू, मार्क और अंडरलाइन adverb of frequency. You know what is adverb, but you have to underline adverb of frequency. So in this particular sentence, Mohan goes to the temple regularly. Which word you are going to underline, my dear students? Yes, you will underline regularly. Okay, next one, I exercise every day. No, I don't exercise, it's just example. I exercise every day, मतलब हम रोज एक्सरसाइज करते. अगर किसी को बोलना है आई सेल्डम एक्सरसाइज, हम कभी कभी एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, या आई डू एक्सरसाइज रेयरली, कभी कभी. लुक एट दिस ऑरेंज कलर क्लाउड वन. डेली, वीकली, फ्रीक्वेंटली, you know, usually, often, etc. will come under adverb of frequency. Okay, next one, the fourth point which you will see here is adverb of manner. My dear students, now what do you mean by adverb of manner? Now in this, it shows the, you know, it shows the occurrence of an action. Okay, how does the action took place, and in adverb, the way of occurrence. Okay, how was the mannerism? That was the adverb of manner. Okay, now let's go to the next page. Now here is the example of adverb of manner. Look at this. Now in this one example, just see above here. Now let me put my pointer pen mark here. Now look at this example. The old couple lived happily. How did the old couple lived? They lived happily. Sam drives carelessly. How does Sam drives? He drives carelessly. Now look at this orange part. Rudely, sadly, nicely, neatly. This all will come under adverb of manner. She talks to me rudely. Okay, she talks to me rudely, and in many of we can say the six fought bravely. Okay, and she wrote nicely. Okay, her she wore a neat dress, or her dress was neatly ironed. Okay, so these all words comes under which degree? Adverb of manner. Look at the fifth point, that is adverb of degree. Students, this is the fifth, second last point. It shows the intensity or degree of an action. So it shows an intensity or degree of an, it shows, so that is intensity, how serious, kitna, you know, how with what intensity or degree of an action. Example, you see, Samaira runs very fast. Second example, he is working too hard for his project. So the words like extremely, quite, almost, very, etc., it will come under adverb of degree. She is extremely hardworking. Okay, he's quite well. I almost know him. She is very good towards me. So these words, kitna degree, kitna, you know, okay, we would, in this particular sentence, if you see what I have written here, Samaira runs very fast. I would have also said Samaira runs very fast, very slow. So it depends upon what I can also say, I would have also said, sorry, Samaira runs fast. ये सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है, लेकिन हम क्या बोल रहे हैं? Samaira runs very fast, मतलब जल्दी और बहुत जल्दी. Okay, she rides fast. Okay, she rides very fast. Okay, so I am telling her intensity, कितने seriousness से और कितने jaldi, kitne deri se, this will come under adverb of degree. Once you will understand the concept of all the adverbs, it will be very easy for you students to underline the adverbs asked in the question. Okay. Now look at this sixth one. It is interrogative adverb. Now what do you mean by interrogative adverb? These adverbs are used at the beginning of a sentence to ask questions. Okay, so when adverbs are used in asking questions, they are called interrogative adverbs. Example, where is Abdul? When did you come? Why are you late? How did you contrive it? How many boys are in your class? Now look at my example which I have quoted here. Where is my passport? Where? Kahan? So I'm asking where, place here. Okay. When will the train arrive? That means I'm asking time. Why are you so late? Why are you so late? Reason. I'm asking Karan. Why are you so late? Tell me the reason. So this interrogative, this adverb, it will depend upon different degrees. Okay, I may ask about the place, I may ask about the time, I may ask about the reason. Asking question and with punctuation would be question mark and question mark. Okay students, so where is my passport? Place. Where? When will the train arrive? Time. Why are you so late? Reason. So these are the adverbs which I have told you. So this is it. So adverb is the word which adds some meaning to the verb. Like we have seen in adjectives, it gives us meaning to the noun or the pronoun. In the same manner, adverb adding something to the verb. I hope these lectures might be clear to you. Okay, and thank you for watching it. If you really like it and if you liked my effort, so please like and subscribe my channel. Stay fit and fine. Thank you. Have a beautiful day ahead.